Hi. So you must be knowing that we are using actually the IDLE as an interpreter, and it is nothing but integrated development learning environment. Okay. So obviously now we are going to make use of the Jupyter Notebook. Okay. And this Jupyter Notebook says that it is a powerful way to write and iterate on your Python code for data analysis. So once you learn Python properly, obviously you would be learning the data analysis. Rather than writing and rewriting an entire program, you can write lines of code and run them one at a time. Actually, this was the feedback, or the we can say the response given by one of the participant, that I should show instead of idle some other type of actually the interpreter. Okay, so obviously I'm going to show it to you in such a way that we can edit and rerun the program again, and all in the same window. So it is going to happen in such a way that we will have to install that first. So how to install? By using pip. Okay, so understand what is this pip now, because we are going to make use of this pip later for the MySQL connection and all. So pip is nothing but the Python package installer, and we have to open the command window. Fine. So this command window has been opened, and you can see here that this pip install Jupyter Lab has been command has been given. Now what is this pip? I'll just let you know in short, in very short rather. Okay, when we work on Python, okay, we can see here the programs getting saved in save as this by default Python 3732, because this is my 3.7 directory. Okay, so in the same manner there is the scripts. Okay, and under scripts you can see, if I give here all files, you can see here actually pip. I'll just show you, just a minute. You can see here pip. Okay, and this pip get installed from here. So if suppose you want to open this, fine, you can press here command. Okay, and right here cd this, and you can try pip over here. You'll get the commands related to the pip. Okay, it will show you in 1 minute. Yeah, it has shown. And now you can give this particular command, which I have given already, and I have all these things already in my machine. I have done it already by using pip install Jupyter Lab. Jupyter Lab is the command. Okay, it is going to collect all the libraries related to Jupyter Lab, and then it is going to install. And once it is installed, how to start you have to understand. So for starting, you must have seen here I have given, after it gives you that this is done running the Jupyter Lab, it is installed everything, and then after that you can see Jupyter Notebook. You have to write it down with respect to Jupyter Notebook. Okay, and once you open the Jupyter Notebook, it would be opening this as the Jupyter Notebook. You can see it over here. Fine. So you can see the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, you can see the Jupyter Notebook, and then you can click on Python 3. Once you open that, you can get the command over here. For example, there's a command window at this moment. There's my command prompt. You can assume how we used to get it. You can give here say x equal to 5, y equal to say 7, the x and y and my variables. Okay, and then I want to print it, say x plus y. It is going to give me in the same window in such a way that if I run, I'll get the output. Okay, so in this manner we have understood how to make use of Jupyter Notebook, and I would like to tell you that where does the file get stored. It is going to save the file over here. Okay, so you can see here, this is the, and here I can see the file has been saved. So if suppose I save this file, save as, and I give here third, say notebook. Okay, I'll save. You can see it over here. The third file has also been saved. Fine. So this is the idea behind Jupyter Notebook. Obviously, I'm going to teach you from the idea only. because for the beginner, this is a program for the beginner, this is a tutorials for beginner, so it will be easier for you to learn something in idle. But if suppose you want to make use of Jupyter Notebook, just I gave you an idea. So that is all about the Jupyter Notebook, and whatever the information I've told you, is all present in this particular notepad file which I am going to share with you. Okay, so this is the idea behind the Jupyter Notebook. And thank you very much for listening to this particular tutorial, and stay tuned.